Alright guys, I'm done for my work and it's a winter storm right here. So heading home now guys, because there's a winter storm and it's gusting about, right now it's 90 km/h, and later in the night it's 110 km. So yeah, it's really bad. Hey, what's up guys? It's 9:45 right now and we're out of electricity because of this blizzard. It's 115 km wind and the whole town is out of electricity. It's dark.
Yeah, barely can't see anything, viewers.
So yeah.
Yeah, viewers, so be careful outside and stay safe.
Yepper.
Stay safe, do not go out there
So
alone.
we're just using our LED light here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, guys, save up your flash. Okay, guys, save up your batteries in case your flashlight batteries in a situation like this. Okay? So do not waste your batteries on just some nonsense or necessary things. Only for necessary things.
Okay. Alright guys, we have to go to bed now.
Have a good night's sleep.